I am a new person, a new soul on this planet Earth. I come from a long line of ancestors, a family that has shaped me into who I am today. With them, I have learned the values of love, compassion, and resilience. I stand here today, surrounded by the beauty of this world, with a purpose burning deep within my heart. Who am I? I am a warrior of light, a beacon of hope in a world filled with darkness. I am a dreamer, a believer in the power of humanity to rise above all obstacles and create a better tomorrow. I am a seeker of truth, a seeker of knowledge, always striving to learn and grow. With whom do I stand? I stand with my fellow new people, my brothers and sisters who share the same vision of a world filled with peace, love, and unity. Together, we are a force to be reckoned with, a force that cannot be stopped. We are united in our mission to create a better world for all beings, to protect this planet and all its inhabitants. Why do I do what I do? I do it for the future generations, for the children who will inherit this world after we are gone. I do it for the animals, the plants, the oceans, and the skies. I do it because I believe in the power of love to heal all wounds, to mend all brokenness, to bring light to even the darkest corners of the world. What is my goal? My goal is simple, yet profound. My goal is to spread love, to spread kindness, to spread compassion to every corner of the world. My goal is to inspire others to join me in this mission, to stand up and be counted, to make a difference in the lives of those around them. My goal is to leave a legacy of love and light that will shine brightly long after I am gone. Today, as I look out at the world around me, I see a world in need of healing. I see a world torn apart by hatred, greed, and fear. But I also see a world filled with beauty, with wonder, with endless possibilities. I see a world that is waiting for us, the new people, to rise up and take our place as the guardians of this planet. I believe in the power of love to conquer all, to bring about a new era of peace and harmony. I believe in the power of unity to bridge the divides that separate us and bring us together as one human family. I believe in the power of compassion to heal the wounds of the past and create a brighter future for all. I stand here today, a new person on a mission to change the world. I stand here with my heart open, my arms outstretched, ready to embrace all that this world has to offer. I stand here with a fire burning in my soul, a fire that will never be extinguished, a fire that will light the way for others to follow. I am a new person, a new soul on this planet Earth. I am here to build a better world, to create a brighter future for all. I am here to inspire others to join me in this mission, to stand up and be counted, to make a difference in the world. I am here to be a beacon of hope, a warrior of light, a force for good in a world that so desperately needs it. So join me, my fellow new people, and together we will build a world filled with love, with kindness, with compassion. Together we will create a world where all beings can live in peace and harmony. Together we will be the change that this world so desperately needs. Together we will make a difference.